In the vibrant city of Glendale, where the sun shines year-round and temperatures often rise to uncomfortable levels, homeowners face unique challenges in maintaining comfortable and energy-efficient homes. One often overlooked but vital component of achieving energy efficiency is the type of windows you have installed. Energy-efficient windows are no longer just a luxury, they're a necessity for Glendale homes. Here's why upgrading to energy-efficient windows is an essential investment for Glendale homeowners. Combat Glendale's intense heat. Glendale's Mediterranean climate means long, hot summers with temperatures that frequently soar above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Traditional windows can struggle to keep the heat out, allowing your air conditioning system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to minimize heat transfer. Features like low-E, low emissivity coatings, double or triple pane glass, and gas-filled spaces between panes act as barriers, reducing the amount of heat entering your home. This ensures your living spaces stay cooler without relying excessively on air conditioning, lowering energy consumption and costs. Reduce energy bills. One of the most immediate and tangible benefits of energy-efficient windows is the reduction in utility bills. With traditional windows, much of the energy used to cool or heat your home escapes through poorly insulated glass. This means your HVAC system must work harder, leading to higher electricity bills. Energy-efficient windows, however, provide superior insulation, keeping the indoor temperature stable. This reduces the strain on your cooling system during summer and your heating system during winter. Over time, the savings on energy bills can offset the initial cost of upgrading your windows. Protect your interiors from UV damage. Glendale's abundant sunshine, while beautiful, can have damaging effects on your home's interiors. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade furniture, carpets, curtains, and artwork, diminishing their lifespan and aesthetic appeal. Energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings block a significant portion of UV rays while allowing natural light to brighten your home. This ensures your interiors are protected, helping you preserve your investments and maintain the beauty of your living spaces. Enhance comfort year-round. Drafty windows can make certain areas of your home uncomfortable, particularly during Glendale's cooler months. Energy-efficient windows are designed to eliminate drafts and hot or cold spots, providing consistent temperatures throughout your home. Whether it's a scorching summer afternoon or a brisk winter evening, energy-efficient windows help maintain a comfortable indoor environment, allowing you to enjoy your home no matter the season. Contribute to a sustainable Glendale. As environmental concerns grow, more Glendale residents are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows align with these sustainability goals by reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. By using less energy to cool or heat your home, you're directly contributing to a more sustainable Glendale. Small changes like upgrading your windows can have a significant impact on the environment while promoting eco-friendly living. Noise reduction for peace of mind. Living in Glendale often means dealing with the hustle and bustle of city life, from busy streets to neighborhood activities. Energy-efficient windows, with their advanced insulation and multi-pane construction, can also act as a sound barrier, reducing outside noise. This added benefit creates a quieter, more serene home environment, ideal for families, remote workers, or anyone seeking peace amidst the lively Glendale atmosphere. Increase your home's value. Investing in energy-efficient windows not only improves your home's functionality but also enhances its resale value. Prospective buyers in Glendale are increasingly prioritizing energy-efficient features, as they understand the long-term savings and environmental benefits they provide. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you make your home more attractive to buyers, ensuring a higher return on investment should you decide to sell in the future. How to choose the right energy-efficient windows. When shopping for energy-efficient windows in Glendale, look for the following features. Energy Star certification. This ensures the windows meet stringent energy efficiency standards. Low U factor and SHGC ratings. A lower U factor indicates better insulation, while a low solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, reduces heat absorption. Durable frames. Opt for materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite for optimal thermal performance and longevity. The essential upgrade for Glendale homes. In Glendale, energy-efficient windows are more than just an upgrade. They're a necessity for combating the city's unique climate challenges. From lower energy bills and enhanced comfort to UV protection and sustainability, these windows offer a host of benefits that make them an essential addition to any home. If you're ready to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value, consider making the switch to energy-efficient windows. By doing so, you'll not only enjoy immediate benefits but also invest in a more sustainable and cost-effective future for your Glendale home.